Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to change the language on Google Assistant. Whether you speak multiple languages or just want to try a new language, this guide will walk you through the steps. So, let's get started. Open the Google app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the Google app on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you will click on. Then on the next page in the drop-down menu, you will look for the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open where you will also go down to the Google Assistant option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The app will open the next page where you will look for the language option and click on it. This is where the magic happens. As you can see for yourself, you will have a field where the language is already selected, but since you want to change the language, click on it. Then, on a new page, you will see a list of languages available on Google Assistant. It is up to you to choose which one you want and click on it. Once you select the desired language, it will automatically update. Google Assistant will now respond in the selected language. And that's it! You have successfully changed the language on Google Assistant. This feature is super handy for multilingual households or if you just want to practice a new language. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.